Hey, it's Jason from Bold Construction out here in the field today. I'm going to show you how to remove a backflow preventer from your irrigation system. I recommend if you do have a landscaping company that does your maintenance, have them do it, but make sure they do it before the first freeze. You want to get it done quickly. Today it's early November and we're getting this done here on this site. First thing you want to do is to turn off your water to the irrigation system. You're going to find a control valve box near your backflow valve, probably on the supply side, and typically it's a quarter turn item, and you just turn it off till it's 90 degrees to the direction of the water flow. And then that's the first part. Second part is looking at your backflow system here, and you're going to drain some of the pressure off of it. So there's going to be some pressure built up into the system, and you simply turn these valves. These are little test valves. Turn them 90 degrees and release any pressures on it. That's going to make it easier to remove and less water in the system. So I just did those four. These are your typical shut-off valves. You can turn those off or on. It does not matter. I like to leave them on when I'm taking the system off. You're going to find two unions at the bottom here, and these are sometimes difficult to release, but they just twist off. So that first one wasn't too bad. Twisting that off, loosen that side. This one is going to be the opposite way, and I'm going to twist that off, and it's as simple as that. Backflow system's off. Store this on the heated wall of your garage or somewhere else in your house that is heated, because there's still going to be some water in this system and you don't want it to freeze. I'm going to come back later and put plastic. I usually use Ziploc bags and rubber bands on top of these just to keep debris out of them. And then don't forget to put the cover back on your shutoff valve. Find your irrigation controller and just turn it to off. Simply, it's probably an auto or something similar to that, depending on the model, and just switch it to off. That prevents the system from actually using any power during the off season. All right, y'all, one more thing. Go around your entire house and unhook all of your hoses from your hose bib. Simple as unscrewing this and pulling it off, but it will save you a lot in time, money, and damage if the water line did freeze, break, and back up into your house.